A, B, C, come along with me. We'll learn the letters, it's fun, you'll see. Clap your hands, jump up and down. Let's explore the letters all around. A, B, C, let's take it slow. Step by step, watch it grow. From A to Z, a cool ride ahead. We're learning the alphabet, let's get out of bed. At school today, what did we find? Letters waiting, oh so kind. Each one special, each one neat. The alphabet's a fun-filled treat. A, B, C, we're on our way to learn the letters, hip hooray. Sing with me, give it a try. We'll soar through letters up so high. With every A, we start anew. B and C will join us too. It's like a puzzle, piece by piece. We learn and play, it never will cease. At school we see them on the wall. Big and small, we learn them all. They make words, they help us read. Letters are the friends we need. A, B, C, dance in a line. They help us talk, they help us shine. Let's draw them out, one by one. Learning letters is so much fun. We spell our names, we make things clear. The alphabet is always near. At home, at school, or in the park, letters guide us even in the dark. A, B, C, you're doing great. Learning letters feels just like fate. Keep on going, there's more to find. The magic of letters is one of a kind. From start to end, A to Z, there's no place we'd rather be. Letters open up every door. They show us learning and so much more. A, B, C, now wave goodbye, but we'll be back. Don't you cry. At school or home, it's clear to see. The alphabet is pure glee. And all the rest, keep them close, you'll be your best.